Hello again, friends. Welcome back to the Beavertown compound and Beavertown Outdoors. So today, got a day off work, off the regular job, and I've been cleaning up around the woodyard today. So, and lo and behold, I got a call for another load of logs was coming. Tony The Excavator said that he had a gigantic maple tree he was taking down on a property. So he said, if you got room for it, it's coming your way. So luckily today I'd already planned on cleaning up the woodyard and doing some reorganizing, and he showed his man just left with the second load, so came with 2 dump truck fulls. So it's a blessed day. So I'll show you kind of what I've been up to. So in some of my other videos, my short videos, you might have saw where all this is the stuff that this is from that first few loads that Tony brought me. This is all the poplar. There's probably a errant oak or something else mixed in there. Nah, probably not oak. Some cottonwood and things like that, but it's kind of the lower grades of wood. Separated that out, put it over in this area that I weed whacked the other day. And then we saw this the other day. You guys were along for the ride when we cut this up. But I separated out. This is all oak, locust, some maple, some ash. Those 2 big logs at the bottom I think are cottonwood. Maybe not though. Hard telling. Easy way to tell cottonwood is when you split it, if you start getting all the little strings. Many of you guys that ever split cottonwood know what I'm talking about. We got all our pallets moved. We got that water tote, the one tote that I was leaving as a water hauler for the boiler. That one, I moved that for now. It's gonna have a more permanent home. What I'm planning to do is get rid of all these weeds and everything, and those wood chips that they brought the other day, those are gonna go down here to kind of keep this weeds from coming back. So just been cleaning up and just getting to the point where I can get the weed whacker out and start taking these down. But over here, we got 2 dump truck loads, which I'll show you the video here in a second about it getting dropped off. This is all from one maple tree, Tony said. She was quite big. It's a soft maple, the way you can tell if you don't know. Okay, the center, in that center heartwood, see how small it is. Hard maple, that center heartwood, that's going to be bigger. It makes it easier to tell. This is soft maple, which, you know, it doesn't have as high BTUs as some, but it can be ready in a hurry. I cut this and split it. She probably could be below 20%, given how my drying setup is. We can get her below 20% this year, but if not, she'll definitely be ready for next year. Or it'll be ready if we get a late, long-lasting winter again. We've had the last couple years where it got warm, deceptively warm, and then all of a sudden went back into the Arctic. We get that again and won't be out of wood, so that'd be nice. But yep, so we got all this cleared out a lot of the weeds and everything. Some of the junk that was laying around, there's all red. But yeah, so I think we're getting organized here, friends. I know I said my next video would be me splitting, but priorities had to change a little bit. Wanted to get this organized. You know, I've always all these years kind of done it haphazardly, and now that trying to be more efficient production wise, trying to get it all organized. Not letting perfect be the enemy of the good by any means, but definitely trying to be organized and be efficient. It's all about being efficient. That's how I save money. That's how I make it worthwhile for when I get hopefully selling next year. So, all right, so I'm getting back at it with the weed whacking. Show you how we end up after I'm done. All right, so we got all the weeds cleared out. Looking good. Now we're just gonna put some chips down. Well guys, we definitely aren't gonna get done today. But give me something to work on this weekend. And yeah, so might be a little bit before I get a splitter video doing. And I owe you guys a greenhouse update too, so well, we're getting there. But I think once we get this all spread out, it's gonna look nice. And hopefully it'll stay nice with these wood chips. So that's gonna do it for us tonight, guys. Been at this all day. I know there wasn't much action shots, just kind of before and afters, but yeah, need to get this done. There's a lot of work and it's been putting it off. Couldn't do it anymore, so. But it's gonna do it for today. The missus wants to go out to dinner and she's the boss. So we're gonna call it a night, guys. But as you can see behind me, we're making progress. And you guys saw, we're getting organized. We're gonna be in this to win it. So till next time, be good to each other. Take care. If you like what you've seen, please hit the like button. And if you're a regular here, please subscribe. Or if you just like this video and want to see more, either way, just subscribe for me. I really appreciate it. So till then, everybody take care. Goodbye. I'm out.